Hi all of you, I am the Vijay Krishna Seier, Senior Software Developer and Trainer. I have a 6+ years of experience in .NET training and development. Today I am going to discussing about how to install Visual Studio 2022. So here I am type Visual Studio 2022 installation. Here you can find out visualstudio.microsoft.com. So this is the official website for the Visual Studio. I go through this. See, in this Visual Studio there are 3 types of versions: community, professional, enterprise. Community is the individual developers and students. For this community is very useful. Professional, small teams, organization level, it will be useful. Enterprise is used for big enterprise or MNC companies and large teams using this enterprise edition. So here I am go with community version. And if you want to download older versions, so here you can see that older downloads. Click on here. See here 2019, 2017 previous versions will be available. You can download from here. Now I am go with 2022. You can go back. You can download from there, or you can directly click on here community 2022, the free version. So it was installed in my PC, downloaded in my PC. Double click on it, click on yes, then click on continue. So here Visual Studio Community 2022. So here whatever you want to select, you can select from ASP.NET Web Development required for that. So Python, Azure, Node.js, anything you want you can select from here. .NET Desktop Development I want. Mobile applications currently I don't want it. If you want we can select it. Data storage, processing I can select here. Visual Studio Extension Development I am select here. So here you want to work with Office, SharePoint development, you can select here. Linux development if you want to use, you can select here. Then finally I click on install. Finally it was installed successfully. So it is asking about restart. So I click on not now. So after I will restart my PC. Once you are restart your PC, so the Visual Studio 2022 is available. So in the next video I will going to show how to open Visual Studio 2022 and how to open the console and what kind of applications we can open in the Visual Studio. That things we are discussing in the next video. See you soon.